What is up YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows NT 4.0 in VirtualBox. Windows NT 4.0 is a Windows NT operating system that can support up to, I believe, 4 or something gigabytes, and uses like some higher end hardware, but doesn't really matter. And Windows NT 4.0 is required for Windows NT 5.0 builds in some of these, like for NT 5.0 build 1877 or Windows 2000 build 1946 or whatever. So let's get started. I'm gonna need, so you're gonna need VirtualBox, WinRAR, and a direct link to WinWorld PC. So let's go. Now, mine is located on my other drive, so I need to eject it real quick. And I need to grab my other flash drive that has the NT 4.0 ISO. Let me find it real quick. Just give me any minute now. Okay, now I'm plugged in the flash drive. Let's get started. So I'm gonna hit new. I'm gonna type in Windows NT 4.0. Then click next, next, create, next. We'll put 2 gigabytes. It doesn't matter. Create. Now hit settings, storage, click on the empty optical drive and click here, and then click this particular area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for my Windows NT 4.0 image. Mine is located right here. Then hit OK, and then hit start. Then hit enter, then hit enter, then hit C, then you have to hit page down until you see F8. Hit F8, then hit enter, enter. I'm going to use the NTFS file system, do not do FAT. Enter, 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 and it's going to check drive letter C, which is of course the main drive. There are no floppies in this one, but you need to take out the CD-ROM, so let's do that. Enter. Oh wait, I forgot. It automatically starts up. I believe it's going to restart. Yep. It's going to automatically start up to NT 4.0. It's not even finished yet. It has to finish the setup first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. So oh wait, hold on. Never mind then. Then you're going to have to insert your Windows NT 4.0 image, so do that, and hit OK. and then hit next. Next for the typical installation, and then type in your name. Then hit next. I'll type in my computer name. I should type in WinNT4. Next. Next. Just click on no and then hit next. And hit next. Next. Do not connect your computer to a network at this time. Then hit next and then hit finish. And now it's going to set up Windows NT 4.0. Then choose your specific time zone. I am in the Pacific time. You can leave it at Greenwich time if you want. And hit OK, then hit test, then hit OK. It's going to give you a display test. Then hit yes, and then hit OK, and then hit OK. And now it's going to copy files from the CD-ROM. Now it's going to configure your virtual machine to run Windows NT, and now it's going to restart. If you have a CD-ROM, just take it out, because now this is the time to remove it, and hit restart computer. And then hit enter. Then hit right control delete. Then hit enter. And there you go. You just successfully installed Windows NT 4.0. If you right click my computer and hit properties, there you go. You have successfully installed Windows NT 4.0 build 1381, which is the final version. So there you go, people. That's how to install Windows NT 4.0 in VirtualBox. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon when I upload new videos. And make sure you follow me on Twitter at RubenApatisha17 or Instagram at RubenTheTransferFan. So that's how to install Windows NT 4.0 in VirtualBox. So I'll see you next time.